Many people know exactly where they were when Neil Armstrong took that first step on the moon. Younger generations are more likely to remember where they were on September 11th. For those events, there was a before and an after. Everything changed. Few people probably remember where they were when atmospheric CO2 concentrations reached 400 parts per million for the first time in human history. I do. I was walking with my children. At the Gulf Coast Carbon Center, we reject the notion that nothing can be done to impact global and industrial emissions. There are many strategies for reaching the scientifically endorsed goal of 2 degrees Celsius, but we will be most successful if we incorporate carbon capture and storage. So let's show the world how to rapidly reduce emissions by conducting an integrated CO2 capture, transport, and injection demonstration project. Let's fix the problem of the future, not the past, by incorporating next-generation energy systems. Let's use offshore geologic settings that are immediately accessible to the countries where the majority of emissions reductions will need to come from. But we need to act fast. Emissions reductions need to have significant impact in the next decade in order to stay on target. So we stand at a crossroads. Atmospheric emissions will either continue to rise or they will begin to stabilize and decrease with the deployment of carbon capture and storage. MacArthur Foundation funding can change that trajectory.